Hey everyone, welcome to Never Metal Custom. Sorry about the noise, but we got a bunch of rain again and it's just really hammering that tin roof, so I'll try to speak up. Just wanted to make this quick video and tell everybody that we are open. We are not closing down because of this coronavirus. Sorry, I'm not buying into all this hype and whatnot. I ain't gonna get into it, but we're open. We're here from 8 to 4, Monday through Friday. So if you need anything, just call or come by. We do everything by appointment only. But if you need to bring something by for us to look at and give you an estimate on and get a game plan for, we're 100% up to that. But again, we are open, normal hours, normal days, same as always. We have bills to pay, and we're going to get out here and work in order to pay them bills. That's just the way we operate. So, if you need anything, you want a real nice custom exhaust job, you want to get that old project out and have me finish it up or whatever, just give me a holler. Be happy to do it for you. Everyone, thanks for watching, and until I see you again, I hope that y'all have a fantastic day.